Hellos, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are all doing very well. Yeah, I know, where have I been? Living life, as I always say, being an adult. So it has been a while since I've done a hair tutorial. I haven't done one this year, I believe. No. But yeah, as you can tell, so today's video is going to be all about this hair. I'm going to give you info and all that good stuff. So this video is also going to be an install video. I've never done an installation video or an updated one. So this video, for those that ask me how I install my wigs, this video will serve as a guideline for you guys to see the step-to-step process that I normally do. I do have a video on how I basically customize the hairline with previous wigs, so I'll suggest you check that out if you want a video on how I pluck or customize my lace fronts or full lace wigs. However, this video is simply going to be me installing. This style is definitely something different to what I would usually go for. My signature style is middle part long black straight hair. That's literally my go-to anytime I go for extensions or wigs. Anyway, 2019, I did say I was going to broaden my horizon, try different styles, cuts and colors, and I haven't really ventured out. I've pretty much stuck to my signature, and then I've just changed it to a side part here and there. And I think it's because, you know, we haven't really experienced some sunshine here in the UK. So this curl pattern is definitely giving me beach vibes. I do like it. I think it's quite cute. I'm definitely not someone who would have reached out for a short curly wig. I feel like short curly styles definitely adds a bit more weight to your face. So I normally tend to prefer to go for, or opt for longer lengths when I have curly hair. So this is definitely something different for me. It really gives me Jericho vibes. I'm sure you guys will be brutally honest in the comments, but let me know what you think. But anyways, this hair is from a company called RPGShow. If you have been a follower of my channel, you know I have been wearing their wigs for years. I'm talking back when I was in uni, and that's, you know, that was a while ago. So I did ask them for a discount code for you guys, and I'm hoping by the time this video goes out that the code is still valid, but the code will be here. RPGShow are definitely one of the hair companies that I have tried out and have stuck to using for years. So if you buy any wig from RPGShow, if you use discount code, you would get a discount. You don't have to get this wig per se, but any wig on their website. But I think this hair is cute. What do you guys think? Also, I want to serve as a guinea pig for you guys to see how wigs look like on an everyday person, because most times some of these companies just show you how the wigs look like on the mannequins. And if you're an everyday person like myself, I'm not a professional stylist, I just want to show you guys how easy it is for you to install or customize these wigs at home. Just make sure when you're doing so, you always take your time. You need patience whilst doing these things. You don't want to ruin the wig. But you know, I don't want to babble on too much. I just want to get straight into this tutorial. I want to show you guys how I achieve this look. So this wig is from RPGShow, and it came in a box like this, as you can see. And in the box comes 2 wig caps, there's a magazine, there's a hair tamer, and I believe it came with a hairbrush. I can't remember, to be honest. And it also has all the specs about the wig you have purchased. And it also comes with a bag that the hair is kept in. Anytime I get a new wig, I personally like to wash my wig, so I've washed, conditioned, and I left it to air dry. In the wig, as you can see, it has a comb at the back, but it actually comes with 3 combs, 2 at the temples, which I have taken out because I am tender-headed and I tend to find there a lot of pressure for me personally. And as you can see, it also comes with an adjustable strap, and it also comes with an elastic band. Just gonna pop on the wig, as you can see. I start off by cutting the lace. I either use the razor or I use scissors, or sometimes I alternate between the two. I feel like with the razor effect, it gives you more of a natural look compared to the scissors, so I just alternate between the two. Then I just cut the lace and hair according to where my ears stop, so that it fits on perfectly. So as you can see, I'm just doing that now. It does take a while, so do have patience. I already tweezed the hairline to my preference. Normally I'll tweeze a bit more, but this time I didn't tweeze as much. Now that I've packed the hair away from my face, I simply use the razor to cut the lace, and then near the ear area I use the scissors. Make sure you take your time whilst doing this, and then as you can see, I do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm just defining the parts to my preference, so I get some foaming mousse so that I can lay this area. So next, what I'm going to do is install this wig. So you can wear it glueless, but I didn't want to wear it glueless today. What I do like to use is a spray from Got2b, and I just spray this onto my head, and then I stick on the wig. Then I use a comb, or I use my fingers to gently press the wig onto the sprayed glued area, and then I get a blow dryer to help speed up the process. So I do it section by section. You want to take your time because it dries very fast, so it's best to do it section by section instead of spraying your whole head. Otherwise, by the time you get to the other side, it's going to be dried and you're going to have to spray more, if you get what I mean. Keep on doing that until it's stuck on like so. I'm someone that likes to take off my wigs every day, so when I come home I just use wipes to take it off, and it comes off seamlessly. It's not hard. So if you obviously want to leave your wig on for a few days or probably a week, you do want to reach out for stronger glue, and there's many on the market, so definitely check that out to see what you can find.
I'm doing this section by section till finished. Then I reach out for a headscarf and I wrap that firmly onto my head, and I leave that on for at least 15 minutes. When you take it off, it should be nicely snug onto your head. But what I'm doing next is creating baby hair. So I'm taking a few strands of hair and then I'm using the razor to cut it. So to lay the edges, I'm simply using the mousse. I'm not using any gel. You can do so according to your preference, but mousse works just as fine. So that's what I'm using. Next, I add my finishing powder for a seamless blend and trim where necessary.
So I add some oil to give it a little bit of shine. I also add some mousse to help define the curls a bit, and also this spray, which I found does help with defining the curls, I'm sorry. And I would love it if you guys can also recommend products that you use to help define your curls with your wigs. So after that, I just simply zhuzh up the hair. I keep on playing about with it to get my desired look. I prefer the roots to have a little bit more of a straight look, and then it will float into the curls instead of the curls just being right from the root. So I use the hot tooth comb to do so. I'll leave a link below if you want to purchase this online if you can't find this from your local shop. It does get very hot, so do be very careful because you don't want to burn yourself. That's all I do, or all I did to install this wig, and that's what I'm going to carry on doing anytime I do wear it. And there's obviously going to be days where I wear wigless. I feel like I like the wig more when the curls are more defined. Also, I must say, normally I would pluck more when it comes to the hairlines of my lace fronts. But with this one, I wasn't too sure because it was a curly wig. I didn't want to over pluck and then be like, oh my god, I've messed up this wig. So it's definitely more thick in the hairline area than I would normally go for, if that makes sense. But over time, if I feel like I want to pluck more, then I will pluck more. But for now, this is how I'm rocking it. This is definitely going to get some getting used to because it's different from what I would usually go for. But either way, I do think it's cute. That is the end of this tutorial, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful, and I shall speak to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.